This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Are you over Grandma's old traditional turkey? Well, we're going to mix it up today. We're going to blow your minds. We're doing a spatchcocked Cajun turkey. We're going to be using the signature blend pellet. It's going to give us a bold, sweet flavor and elevate any of our protein or vegetables. All right, let's get cracking, popping, on, locking. Again, like to start with a towel surface and then a plastic cutting board. Again, we're trying to reduce the amount of cross-contamination that can happen in our kitchen. We don't want to get our guests sick this holiday season. We want them sick of love, but not sick from food. All right, we're going to start. I'm going to grab this turkey, this beautiful honeysuckle white turkey. This is how she came. She looks absolutely beautiful. First things first, cut off excess skin. I am going to remove the tail as well. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now, we're going to spatchcock this bird. That's going to start our process here. Spatchcock. My preferred method of spatchcocking is with a good set of poultry shears. You can also use a very, very sharp knife, but I like using poultry shears for this application. Okay, we got one side, and now we've got the other side of that backbone. Okay, now that we've got this bird spatchcocked, we do want to make a slit right here to essentially break that breastplate, and voila, you've got a beautiful, beautiful spatchcocked bird here that is ready to absorb some delicious wood smoke. All right, now that we've cleaned our work area, it's time to start on the Cajun butter we're going to inject into this delicious turkey. I've got some delicious, two delicious sticks of butter here, some delicious Cajun seasoning, and some garlic powder. That's going to make our delicious garlic butter. Okay, the next step is we're going to take our delicious, nutritious spatchcock turkey here. I'm going to season the bottom side of it with Ron's Screamin Pig Rub, available at recteq.com. And then we're going to flip it over. We're going to inject this delicious bird with the Cajun butter. Make sure you inject in all areas of the bird, because you want each and every piece to taste delicious. We're finished injecting. Now it's time. Pour a little bit of oil on the outside of this bird, and we're going to season her up. Guys, make sure you subscribe to Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channels for more amazing turkey content like this. Man, look at this beautiful Cajun turkey. It's injected perfectly. It's spatchcocked to perfection. Spatchcock. It's injected perfectly. This bird looks and smells amazing. It's got that delicious Cajun butter on the inside, that awesome Ron Screamin Pig Rub on the outside, and we're going to cook it in the RT 340 with that delicious signature pellet from Kingsford. Let's head on outside, guys. I'll see you at the recteq. Well, I guarantee, shout out Justin Wilson, this Cajun turkey is for you, my man. Rest in peace. We cooked this turkey to perfection using that RT 340 and the Kingsford Pellets today. Again, we spatchcocked this bird. Spatchcock. And we opened it up, butterflied it. That's how we got this bird to cook evenly all the way across each and every part. Man, this thing is juicy. We've already got a pile of juice. But we need to get this to the table. We need to get this thing sliced up. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in and hanging out with me to help me cook this Cajun turkey for me and my family. We really do appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channel for more amazing content this holiday season. I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad, and we'll see you at the recteq. Ah!